Please review the disclosures. Nothing written, expressed, or said here should be looked at as investment advice or an admonition to buy, sell, or trade any security or financial instrument. The Lund Loop is for informational purposes only. Hey everybody, welcome to the Daily Update for Tuesday, October 7th, 2025. I'm going to try to make it quick today, see if I can get it done under 10 minutes. Why? Because not a whole lot's going on right now. You know, every time we get a gap up and fail, the bears just start chirping. They get very emboldened. And then what happens is we drop, and then we just don't do anything. We don't follow through. We just firm up, and they get disappointed. I saw someone on FinTwit today just say, mark these words. One morning we're going to open up 5 to 7% down just for no reason. Like, I don't think that's going to happen. But you can see here on the SPX, we did get that gap up. We lost the high of the previous day. We started to see those moving averages get lost, and then we start seeing the spread, right? And then it looks like we have a potential trend down day, but instead we break that, and then we just start doing the bar coding. We go sideways, close just below the close of yesterday. If you look at the Qs, similar action, a little bit lower than yesterday's low. The weakest today was IWM. And so as we look at the markets, let's take a look at both sides of the coin. Today we had Apple down 21 cents, right at all-time highs. That doesn't seem bearish. We have Google, which is looking pretty good here, consolidating near all-time highs. That doesn't look too bad. We got NVIDIA doing the same thing, right? We've got Microsoft, which is looking good after this big gap up on earnings. Come in here, holds the 50, starts rebuilding, recaptures the VWAP. That doesn't look too bearish. How about Meta? All right, Meta held this low here and reversed off of it. A little inside bar today. So is that the sell-off? Are we done there? How about Netflix? Same thing. Held that low. Bounced, right? Is that it? And then finally, we've got, what do we have finally? Amazon. And it's actually not finally. Amazon, okay, again, held here once, held again, tried to flush below here yesterday and came back up again, ended the day green. You could actually say like it's tested this level 3 times. And then we've got Tesla, which tough day and looking a little bit heavy, but remember, we've had this big run. So you look at some of the big cap tech names and they don't look so bad. You look at crappy names like, remember MBIO? This thing's moving. Look at Tilray, right? This thing's moving. We've got all the pot stocks that are moving, right? So I think where we're at is, I don't think that we're at a market top yet. I don't think we're having a big crash, but I think what it is you don't want to be holding some of these speculative names overnight as much anymore, because you could just wake up and see that they're down 20%. But again, you've got something like Oklo. Remember Oklo here? Opened down like, 12%, 9% this day? And now it's right back up at its highs. So I don't really see the bearish case yet. I do see maybe a little bit of the excess speculative names being things you want to watch out for. Let's go through the indexes and see what we got here, and then we'll go through the whole smash